While the market is looking the way that it is, I think finding the right place to invest into is key. I know that some people may believe the crypto market is over and you may not experience any type of growth, but I am not one of those people. I think we are going to see one, even if, let's say, it is a bear market, somehow it is, you still understand the long term growth with the cryptocurrency market and how it's going to be utilized as we see altcoin season truly happen. As we see the implementation of crypto or the adoption of crypto into the current economy and what will be the new economy. So, I want to talk to you about some good opportunities that are here right now that I currently own that I would buy more of if I had some free cash flow right now. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. I have a link for BTCC at the top of the description. If you specifically use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. They have the demo platform, they have a live platform, you have the ability to practice if you want to when it comes to trading. So feel free to check it out. One more thing, they also have a giveaway going on until the end of this month. If you want to get started and, sign up, deposit, and trade, you will be entered for that giveaway where you can win free money at the end of the month, or technically at the beginning of the next month. So feel free to check it out. Link is down there. It's a great platform. But what we're here to talk about is the current crypto market. The market is sitting at a $2.5 trillion market cap, which sounds like a lot, but compared to where it was at a $4 trillion market cap, definitely is at a very low level. You're seeing things like Bitcoin that's down by 17 or 18% over the last 7 days. Ethereum that's down by 28% over the last 7 days. BNB 21%, XRP 20%, and so on and so forth, right? There's a big drop off in what we're seeing, which means that some people may be insanely fearful and some people might be gearing up to be insanely greedy. And I think being greedy in these times when things are falling is the only option that I see. Because if you believe in the market that you're investing into specifically, um, the growth will come, especially if you're patient. So let's talk about some plays that I think are really good to own right now, and you will see major success as time goes on. The first one I'll start with is Cronos. Cronos currently stands at an 8-cent price. The all time high market cap for Cronos was around $22 billion. We're seeing it at a $3.2 billion market cap, and it has 40 billion coins in supply. Now, while that $22 billion market cap happened, we were looking at a 20 to 25 billion coin supply. So the supply has increased significantly because of the 70 billion that was added. But as we saw with the treasury, with the talks in government, and even all of the things that crypto.com is doing, CRO will be a massive part of the future, right? Let's just say that, right? I'm not going to say exactly what it is, but a massive part of the future, whether you're talking about CRO being utilized for everything crypto.com related, or talking about the treasury and talking about a potential reserve and many other things, right? There's a lot of things that can happen and will happen that I'm excited for Kronos about. Now, one main thing is where the price is now compared to where the all-time high is and where the growth will end up getting to. Even with all the supply, I still see us hitting $100 billion market cap. So getting up to a level of a dollar plus from where we are now at 8 cents is a no-brainer, more than a 10x up to those points. Now, if something happens a lot sooner, we may see more than just a 10x. It might be a 20x in the short term, and then maybe even something bigger in the long term, but we'll see. The next position that I want to talk about is obvious. XRP at $1.50, I think is a no-brainer. Yes, it isn't the highest, or sorry, the lowest price that you could possibly get it, but there's still so much room for growth even up to the all-time high that we saw and the all-time market cap high, reaching a $200 billion market cap. It currently sits at a one or about $193 billion market cap, $4 billion worth of volume, and has about 61 billion in circulating supply with over 500,000 holders. I have a lot of XRP. I really believe in XRP. I've talked about it so many times. If you want to know more about it, feel free to check out my videos associated with that. But I see more than just the all-time high. I see a massive amount of use and all of that there. The next position, the third one on my list, is SUI. This is one of my more recent investments because I felt as though as I got a glimpse of SUI, I got into it, or at least expressed interest a little bit late before we saw any type of major uptick. But when SUI came down in October and saw it at a very low level, it was like 50 cents for a brief moment. I was like, I would love to get into SUI at lower than $2. And when I saw my opportunity to buy in at $1.30, I thought it was a steal. And seeing it at $1.10, it is still a steal. $4.2 billion dollar market cap with about $1 billion worth of volume. It's up 6%. And it has about 4 billion in the circulating supply. It is a play or a project. Let me go ahead and see if I can refresh this. It is a project that I think has a lot of promise and a lot of hype to it. If we look at all history and all prices, a $5 price point, it currently sits at a $1 price point, but there's so much more room above that from where we stand. The fourth position that I wanted to talk about is Ethereum. This is kind of a no-brainer to me because I think Ethereum is at a very low price, $2,100, $2,200. This opens up the door to see that level of $10,000 for Ethereum, which we will see, and seeing a 5x, and something that provides a little bit of security or safety in a way, where it is one of the top plays in the market and will always be a top play in the market, and we'll always see some major growth for Ethereum there. It sits at a $261 billion market cap. I still do think this is going to have a lot of success up to a $1 trillion market cap, if not a little bit more than that. But also seeing Ethereum at these low prices just gets a lot of interest, right, into the market to know that there's opportunity at the bottom. And to see something as what people would define as safe as Ethereum, it's a top two cryptocurrency, and have open growth. That's what makes me excited about it. So having Ethereum currently at about a $2,000 price point and seeing that where it got to recently, seeing the $3,000, $4,000 mark, and knowing that that's still not even the high point. There's a lot of opportunity for growth as an investor. The last position is AVAX. I've said this time and time again. AVAX under $10 is an absolute steal. My current cost basis for AVAX is $20 plus. I think there's a lot of conversation, potential, hope, growth, all of that stuff for this position specifically. And I think it's massive. What is this cat doing? Why are you here? Go that way. And I think it's going to have a lot of growth. I really don't know what this cat's doing. You can't see him. He's going to try and jump over. Don't you dare. Get out of here. But yeah, there's a lot of growth potential here. It's at a $9.84 price. I have it at a $20 price point. I think there's so much more going for it. It sits at a $4 billion market cap. When we look at the high price points that we've seen, we're looking at a $60 price point. We're looking at a $132 price point. The all-time high is a $146 price point. So looking at from where we are, just to make it simple math, a 14 to 15x in where we stand, I'll take that any day of the week. And I'm sure any of you would as well. But that's just some things that I'm looking at. There's a lot of opportunity that's out there. It's not just this. You can be looking at Jasmy Coin. You can be looking at Cardano. There's a lot of opportunity as the markets look the way they do. So if you're looking at it and going, I'm afraid and I need to sell all my positions, I'm not going to tell you you shouldn't. You could do whatever you want, whatever makes you feel great in the end. But know that I have strong feelings, just like many others have strong feelings, that the crypto market is going to be worth a lot more than where it stands. So, with that, and knowing that there's many people that are there could be those people that are wrong. I could be wrong for sure. But then, if and when I'm not, and things do grow, you can't be mad at yourself for getting out of those positions or not believing in the markets. Because the first time that happened, I had so many people reach out to me and say, I'm upset that I sold XRP, or I'm upset that I left the market back when things really started to fall, or things were at their bottom. And then Bitcoin ran and Ethereum ran and many other things. So I want to know what you guys think about where the market is. What are your top plays? If you had to list them out in the comment section, what are your top plays? They don't have to be any of the ones that I've mentioned, but you can find some of your own that show a lot of promise. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.